In this part of the course, I'm going to be showing you how to apply for remote jobs on LinkedIn, which is your professional network. This is where the vast majority of recruiters and hiring managers go to when they're looking for qualified job candidates. So all you have to do, if you already have a LinkedIn account, which I strongly encourage you to get on here if you don't have one, you just go to the Jobs tab and then click on the search bar and then just press enter. And this will bring up all of the jobs in Thailand. I'm not specifically looking for only jobs in Thailand. I'm looking for fully remote jobs. So you go over here, you click on remote, and then that narrows it down to about 800 results. These are all fully remote or possibly hybrid jobs, which means it's 50-50% office and work from home. But what I'm really looking for the purposes of this course is fully remote jobs, something I can do from anywhere. I don't have to be tied down to one single location. It's location independent. So a lot of these, if you read through the job descriptions here, you'll see that they are usually remote. Some of them require you to come into the office. So it's kind of hit or miss. But I also recommend turning on the easy apply button, which means that you can just click on the blue button, fill out a few simple steps, enter your email address, phone number, upload that resume that you just created in the previous part of the course, and then click next, fill out any other information, click review. There's your resume, it's already attached, and then you just submit the application. Click this button, and that's all there is to it. It's very easy. So we can just keep scrolling through these jobs. All of these are remote jobs in Thailand. So I want to actually open it up to everywhere, not just Thailand. So we have to go up here and you can type in worldwide. A lot of people don't even know that you can apply for remote jobs on LinkedIn, but that's why one of the reasons I'm creating this course. So here, now it should be remote jobs everywhere in the world. So here's one for the United States for some company called Vision Digital. Most of these companies, of course, I don't want to work for anyway, but I just want to show you for the purposes of this course that it's possible to find remote jobs on LinkedIn. I actually created a whole separate course about LinkedIn marketing as well, which is available on a separate platform. If you guys are interested in more information on that, feel free to shoot me a message. And yeah, so that's pretty much all there is to it. You can go through and just start applying for these jobs easily by clicking this blue button. Make sure to upload your latest resume and then just start applying away. But you're going to want to make sure to actually optimize your resume for each of these jobs, if possible, because they all have different job descriptions and your resume might not be a good fit for some of these. You can also see how many applicants the job has. This one only has 19 applicants. So you stand a better chance of getting through to someone at this company versus one of these others with hundreds of applicants. This one has 56 applicants. Probably a little bit more competitive. But yeah, this one actually, it says I'm a top applicant because I have LinkedIn Premium, and it actually will show that I'm in the top 25% based on my LinkedIn profile and skills as well. So it's very powerful. I highly recommend building a strong presence on LinkedIn, start growing your professional network, and then you can just start applying for remote jobs straight through here. You can also say if you're looking for entry-level jobs, that takes it down to only 30,000 results, which is slightly more manageable. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So I wish you best of luck, and go ahead and start applying for remote jobs. Take care.